What if I told you one of the most legendary muscle car names in history is back, and it's louder, wider, and more aggressive than ever? The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 has officially been unveiled, and this isn't just nostalgia. This is a full-scale modern muscle revival built for a new era. Welcome back to Premium Automotive Reviews, your home for detailed car reveals, performance breakdowns, deep design analysis, and everything happening in the world of high-performance machines. If you're passionate about raw horsepower, iconic nameplates, and next-generation engineering, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about what makes this reveal so special. The original Boss 429 from 1969 became an instant legend because it was built to dominate NASCAR. It was rare, powerful, and unapologetically bold. Fast forward to 2026, and Ford has revived that spirit, but with modern technology, sharper aerodynamics, and serious track capability. The first thing you notice is the stance. The 2026 Mustang Boss 429 sits lower and wider than the standard Mustang. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with a larger performance grille, aggressive air intakes, and a functional front splitter designed to increase downforce at high speeds. The LED headlights are slimmer and more focused, giving the car a menacing expression. The hood is where the drama really begins. A massive functional hood scoop dominates the center, feeding cold air directly into the heart of the beast. Heat extractors on both sides improve cooling efficiency and reduce engine bay temperatures during hard driving. Moving along the side profile, wider fenders give the Boss 429 a muscular shoulder line. It rides on forged 20-inch lightweight wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires. Subtle Boss 429 badging appears near the front fender, a reminder that this isn't just another Mustang. This is something special. At the rear, you'll find a redesigned diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and an active rear spoiler that adjusts based on speed and drive mode. The iconic triple-bar Mustang tail lights remain, but with a darker, smoked finish for a more aggressive appearance. Now let's get to the heart of this machine. Under the hood, the 2026 Boss 429 is powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter V8 engine, tuned specifically for this model. Ford engineers have pushed this power plant to deliver approximately 720 horsepower and over 60-50 lb-ft of torque. This engine isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about throttle response, sound, and raw mechanical connection. The exhaust note is deep, thunderous, and unmistakably American. At idle, it growls. Under acceleration, it roars. And at high RPM, it screams with old-school muscle character, combined with modern engineering precision. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an advanced 10-speed automatic for those who want lightning-fast shifts on the track. A limited slip differential ensures maximum traction during aggressive launches, 0 to 60. Expect it in the low 3-second range. Quarter mile. Deep into the 10-second territory with the right conditions. This is serious performance, not just for show. But modern muscle isn't just about power anymore. It's about handling. The 2026 Boss 429 features a track-tuned suspension system with magnetic ride control. The car adapts to road conditions in real time, offering a comfortable cruise in normal mode and razor-sharp precision in track mode. Brembo performance brakes with massive rotors provide confident stopping power, essential for a car with this level of output. Weight reduction also plays a major role. Ford has incorporated carbon fiber elements in the hood, roof, and rear spoiler. Aluminum components help keep overall weight balanced, improving cornering ability and agility. Now step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends heritage with modern tech. The interior features Recaro performance seats, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara with contrast stitching. Boss 429 embroidery is stitched into the headrests, reminding you of the legacy you're driving. In front of the driver is a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster that changes layout depending on drive mode. A large central touchscreen provides access to performance data, navigation, smartphone integration, and track telemetry. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium sound system for daily driving comfort. Ford has also included customizable ambient lighting, a flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and a serialized plaque on the dashboard marking each unit's production number. Because yes, this will be a limited production model. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 Boss 429 includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Even though this car is built for performance, it still meets modern expectations for driver assistance. Now let's talk about exclusivity. Ford plans to produce this new Boss 429 in limited numbers, making it an instant collector's item. Pricing is expected to start around the high $90,000 range, climbing well above $110,000 depending on options and packages. Production is scheduled to begin in late 2025, with first deliveries arriving in early 2026. Demand is already expected to be extremely high, especially among Mustang enthusiasts and collectors who remember the original legend. So what does this mean for the muscle car world? It means Ford isn't letting history fade away. Instead, they're rewriting it. The 2026 Mustang Boss 429 is a statement, a reminder that raw V8 power, rear-wheel drive excitement, and driver-focused engineering still matter. This isn't just a car for commuting. It's a machine built to make you feel something every time you press the start button. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Would you choose the manual for pure connection, or the automatic for maximum performance? And do you think the new Boss 429 lives up to the legend of the original? Drop your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this reveal, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Premium Automotive Reviews, and stay tuned because we have more high-performance legends coming your way. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is back, and it's not here to whisper, it's here to roar.